Hello my beautiful friends on internet. Today I am going to show you how you can check the Epic SIM number from the card and also from the message or dialing the code, and you will get your number by message. So this card you can check the 356, this is the country code, and starting from here 99, this is your number. Think about you forgot this card or you lost this one somewhere, so now you need to check by SIM. As you can see, if you type this number and the message should be only B, and if you send, and you will get like this, your mobile number is Eto. So I hope this video will be helpful. If this video helped you a little bit, then subscribe to my channel will be awesome. See you in the next video.